Hey guys, today I just want to show you how to make lentilla. This is the recipe I have. Tomato, onion, and curry powder, cardamom, salt, and jalapeno or serrano and lentilla. If you have serrano is better, but if you don't have jalapeno, still at the end you can put it. Okay guys, this is the sauce, the one I showed you earlier. I forgot to tell you, half tablespoon ginger and 1 tablespoon garlic. I shredded and I put. This is the sauce ready to put lentilla after I wash. I'll be back to show you. Okay guys, this is the sauce. Let's get ready. And lentilla I did washed, like at least you have to wash 5 times because it's good for stomach when you eat. It doesn't hurt you, doesn't no hurt burn, no nothing. If you wash 5 times. Okay, after I put it, I wash it. Okay guys, now I put the lentilla on the tomato, the one I show you, the sauce. I did stirring a little bit. Then the next one, I'll show you. Okay, after you stirring well, you put it hot water or boiling water, because to make cook fast. You will see how it's looking delicious. Little by little, you have to put in water, because lentilla is very sensitive. When you cook, you have to stay there and steering. Sorry for my word. Okay guys, now almost finished my lentilla. You see how delicious? So I need to put the cardamom, which is 1 tablespoon. Some people they have half tablespoon. I put a half. And salt a little bit. Which means half teaspoon. So final, I will put it like just 2 minutes. Okay guys, now the last part, I will put serrano or jalapeno like I said. You just put it a little bit and maybe 30 seconds you can cook like this. And after 30 seconds, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. And if you like my video, please subscribe and comment at the bottom below. So thank you for watching.